In today's video, I'll be showing you how to turn on the charging animation on the Samsung Galaxy A25 5G. So whenever you plug in your phone, you should normally see a charging animation appearing on the screen to confirm that your phone is charging. So to return the animation, first thing is to open the Settings app, and under Settings, scroll and select Accessibility. Next, tap on Vision Enhancements. Then look for the option Remove Animations. To add the charging animation back, just disable this feature. And now, whenever you plug in your phone, you should see the animation appearing on the screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.